Hi, this is Ritesh Kumar, and this is my 3D solar system simulation built using Three.js and JavaScript. This project visually simulates the solar system with interactive features. Here we can see all the planets are revolving around the sun. If we click on the screen, it zoom it, and also we can control the speed of every planet. Like if we reduce its speed, Mercury's speed will be reduced. Like the last planet Neptune is moving too fast, we can decrease its speed. We can also pause it and see that they are all paused, and we can also toggle the theme from black to white. In the code, each planet is created using a sphere geometry mesh and a mesh standard material. I have placed them on individual orbits represented as invisible groups. The orbit groups rotate around the sun, creating the orbital effect. The planet mesh itself rotates to simulate the spin. So now if we come to the code part, there are mainly three files created. First is index.html for the layout and Three.js link that is mentioned here. Style.css is for the styling and responsiveness, and main.js is for creating the scene, planets, animation, and user control. Readme is for the user instructions like what are the features, how to set up, what technology it used. So this is this. And if you go to the main function here, we can see the sun is created using the sphere geometry and mesh basic material. And the planet data. Every planet data is mentioned here, their color, size, distance, speed. So first we come here, the scene setup. So it creates a 3D scene, a perspective camera, and a WebGL renderer. Render is added to the canvas container. If you come to the set render size, it adjusts the canvas size and camera aspect ratio on the window resize. Smaller height on mobile screen, less than 768 pixels. Here comes camera rotation and zoom, like if we double pinch zoom on touch screens, smooth transition between zoom levels. And then comes the stars that randomly generate 5,000 small void points to simulate a starry background here. And then there is those planets that I mentioned. There is also lights, that a bright point light for the sun's glow and a dim ambient light so the planets are not completely dark. Their planets and orbit, distance from the sun, color, size, speed of orbit, all of these are mentioned here. And for the animation, we have used animate that rotates each planet's orbit based on its speed, rotates the planets itself slowly for realism, updates the camera position smoothly based on the current rotation and zoom, and it continuously renders the scene. And we can also pause and resume as I already showed you on the simulation. Pause and resume button that stops or restart the planet's movements. And dark light theme that I also showed, toggle theme button. And then there is tooltip that detects when the mouse hovers over planet. Display a tooltip with the planet's name at the cursor position. And there is zoom toggle on click. Like if we click on the screen, it zoom it. Like I can show you here. You can click and it will zoom. Smooth animation is also added, so it doesn't feel laggy. And after that, we have used style.css to style the interface control panel that we are using here for controlling the planet speed. For the responsiveness, that it also appear good on mobile phones too. We have used this media. We have specified max with 768 pixels, and it also prevent touch scrolling through these functions. And so this is it. Thank you.